Say hello.
Hi.
Mommy, have a song where you can listen to. Listen to that song, yeah. And
Mama
sing
used
to them.
to tell me, friends not good for you.
You must
girl.
listen to the words of this song and take it serious. You hear me?
Learn the hard way. Hard way.
Let me stop the song a little bit and talk to my fans them. Roshan, big up yourself. Everybody say God right there. So be a blue heart over here. So official_diamond. Big up yourself. Omari 1. Say need that video. Video want video you shall get. Can't wait for the video. Cute face _Shanti. Big up yourself. Smiley 21. So congratulations. We love you. Peppers. Big up yourself. I love you too. Fluffy Blondie _2.0. Big up yourself. I love you. Jackie Williams, loving this song. You go, girl. God is blessing you. Right there, so. Sang Agwan. Pretty _. Atta Rice, big up yourself. Cheers, Gracie. Me I go bust a buckle is a big celebration. Atta Rice said that. Big up yourself. Hey, Spice, call me name. Mocha. Mocha, big up yourself. _Mommy 20. I love you guys. Big up on yourself. Enough love me I go on right here, so. Shanna, I shall sure be a blue heart. God. Big up on yourself. Roxanne, _ambitious. Stacy and James, big up yourself. Love for no. ATL Spice, we go school together. I'm a bit older though. Who this? Debbie, I know good enough. Debbie, big up yourself right there. So big up St. Catherine High School and all the people who knew me from the choir. Who knew Grace Hamilton when I was on the choir, when I used to be a nice little decent girl. I sing pan church choir. Remember me from St. Catherine High School, little Marga Gracie? Yes. The same little girl with the big loud voice. Somebody say Auntie Spice, big up yourself. Richard, big up yourself. Hey, me not tell a lie. When me used to go Catherine, and I lead devotion, me used to sing, Hey, I want to find some of them video from St. Catherine High. When me St. Catherine High School people them, when me some Mungle there, with Arthur, when them people there, with them Pascal Hall video there, when me I sing, hey, me have a piece of voice when me there on the choir. Who don't think I know me I talk about God? Who don't can stay there make people trick on me? I don't want them. Good job, Spice. Gaza for life. Big up Vibes Cat. Don't know the thing go right there. So Hindu _ big up yourself. Simone girl. God give the enemies. Right there, so. Same way. You name you so strong. Yeah, me say. Demarco, big up yourself. Mama. May I look for the... Demarco, big up yourself. Demarco, you need to join in for the live, you're right here. So come in and understand where I feel away. All song can release all now. You know, so I don't understand Demarco. After me give the people them the song 24 hours, everybody I say them nasty, I feel away upon no iTunes chart. Demarco release this song, no? Jesus, leg on my blows. Demarco, leg on my blows. People them feel away. Don't forget that I have I Feel Away t-shirts on Grasse Noir website. And I have a lot of tracksuits. So make sure you check out www.grassenoir.com, baby. GRACINOIR.com. Faces and Laces, we have the blue box out. Face wash. Right about now, I'm going to use my face wash for my pimple. Right there, so. Scar cream. So many things releasing. Make sure you check out my website. Facesandlaces.com, grassenoir.com. Big up all of my fans. I'm going to go back in it again. Humble man. Big up yourself. Yes, Spice. Right there, so. Somebody name come right there, so. You know me not talk about them. Release it, no? The people that want a video. I feel away. Me I look for a big up too. Mary, big up yourself. I love you. Key _via, big up yourself. Powered by Princess, big up yourself. Sunshine, big up yourself. Sunshine _girl 29. Hey, who gonna them name ya, man? Excuse me, _gorgeousness, big up yourself. Go there. Cookie Monster, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Get that bag, hon. Big up yourself. Right there, so. Spice, we love you. I love you too, Ellie _ When I have some name, yeah, lucky things that me can read and write. I feel away because me not hear my name. Let me see that name I know. Shantai Gifted, big up yourself. You know, say me love you like that. Friends and I repeat, you're an inspiration. Great job. Right there, so. Who said if you block somebody make him can't come in? I don't know what that's about, you know, because I know me not look left. My eyes look straight ahead. My sister Fenice, big up yourself. Sis, I love you so much. I can't be what I am without you. Fenice, God know. I love you, love you, love you. I don't know. I have the best little sister in the world. Then we could have really have a little sister, so, hey. People them trouble more than me. When me happy and alright, me I tell you, man. Wanna fight with me, though. I feel away. Spice, big up. Them Marco join in Panda something, yeah. Them Marco join in Panda live, yeah. Fine, I feel away, right? Just upon this, you know, please. I don't understand. I feel away to Spice. Look at that British, big up yourself. I love you guys so much. The Marco with the song, the Marco what me doing in life, Lord Jesus.
I know me.
I feel away, the Marco. I feel away.
I know me.
Feel away, Marco.
Bear way for VP.
Jesus, peace. Them Marco, my fans, them feel away. The people, them can't find the song on iTunes.
People, I'm waiting
away,
on VP
Marco.
Records. Them need to give me the clearance.
Jesus, peace. The Marco, I feel away.
I feel away too. I feel more than away.
Marco, where the song there?
VP need for Lego the song. Lego give me the clearance.
You know, right now, two songs would have up on the chart, you know.
I know. But you don't know VP, yo, we have to wait for the clearance to clear them. VP is aware.
I feel away. Oh, I feel away. I feel a blood clot away.
I bought that song. I bought that song. VP need to give with the clearance. Feel away.
I feel away.
But feel away, so you're power the studio. I know you're power the studio. Feel away. But I really feel away. Really feel away. No, sir.
Yo, put up there to that.
There's some bad. Eh?
Mr. Big top producer and big artist. Wagwan.
A VP, me a weird pan.
Again?
Him feel like, yo, them need to give me the clearance so we can put out the song of video and everything.
Yo,
them say soon.
Away. My fans them feel away. Everybody feel away. On the type so no feel away.
Me feel away too.
Feel away. People them can't find it on iTunes. Nowhere.
I got me say, man. More release the song, but you don't know. They must say a protocol and I have to go through the right procedure and thing.
But you
so
have to producer, you know what going on, Marco. If you feel away, people them feel away. We need the song out.
I feel away. You see me?
Feel away.
I tell you, big song.
See, people them
right now, two biggest songs them right now you have right now. Friends and Feel Away. What? Number 1, iTunes.
I feel away. I feel some kind of way.
No, them here, they talk about, oh, yo, it's at the end of who. What them talk about, no? It's the beginning. It's the beginning.
The Marco big up yourself.
Boy, I feel away.
I feel away.
I mean, man. Yo,
no, big up yourself. Me just want you know say me feel away. I want you release the song.
Of course, you don't know me there.
Before you move, hold on, Mr. Marco, because you see me don't know what me do in life because I hold for my career, so you know. Remember, I feel away alone. You have to me, you know. Hold on.
Jesus Christ.
Hold on.
Clean,
hold on.
but them by now clean. I just see them protocol. It's the same.
Big song again.
Clean.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
What's happening now?
Hold on. Watch her now. Watch her. Turn up the song. Hold on. Now the song will come. Hold on.
Hey. I want to thing you go on with it up. Hey. More my jump off right here now. Yo, the matter with it enough. Hey, mama. Don't jump off.